So, now we will see units of force. So, in this part units of force, first we can take SI unit. SI unit we can write here, we know it, F is equal to m into A. We can write mass is, suppose if m is equal to 1 kg and A is equal to 1 meter per second square. So, we can write F is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square, that can be written 1 Newton. So, this is actually 1 Newton, we take symbol just N. So, SI unit of force is 1 Newton. 1 Newton means 1 kg meter per second square. 1 Newton is actually that force when it is applied on a body of 1 kg of mass, then it produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So, now see, as we have done in first law, if the body is at rest, it will remain at rest. If the body is in motion, it will remain in uniform motion unless an external force is applied. So, see here, if you know it, F is equal to m into A. If I take external force, F external is equal to 0, then what we will be getting? ma is equal to 0. See, mass of any object cannot be 0. So, we can write m cannot be 0. So, obviously, A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 means there is no change in the velocity. If the body is moving with the uniform speed, it will remain, it will keep on moving with the uniform speed if external force is 0. So, actually we can derive Newton's first law of motion from the second law. So, this is actually explanation of the Newton's first law of motion by using Newton's second law of motion. So, now after this Newton's first law of motion and second law of motion, we will come back to the Newton's third law of motion, and that we will discuss in next slide.